Hey, so I hit 500 subs. This won't be a long video because I feel like absolute shit. There's your proof. But yeah, thank you for 500 subs. I mean, it's more than 499, which is quite a small number. But 500, fuck me. Thank you. That's all I really wanted to say. Thanks.